Okay, hi everyone. So we're going to continue from the last video that we talked about the adjectives. I'm going to turn off the camera first because it's disturbing the image. Okay, now we are going to look at all the adjectives I have listed over here. So the train can be described as long and blue. The red train can be described as short and red. The ball, this ball can be described as green and big. This ball can be described as small and yellow. And so it goes on with the monster and the go-kart. So the monsters are purple and ugly. This one orange and beautiful. This go-kart can be described as black and old. This one is big and new. So the words on the post-it notes below the pictures are what we call adjectives, kata sifat. Kata sifat adalah kata-kata yang menerangkan ciri-ciri ataupun mengenai sesuatu benda itu. Jadi kita tengok pada slide seterusnya. Okey. Jadi kita meneruskan kepada opposites. We're going to talk about opposites. Opposites adalah kata lawan. Kita menggunakan adjektif, kata sifat untuk menyatakan bahawa sesuatu benda adalah perlainan antara satu sama lain. Contohnya, we look at both of these trains. One train is long and one is short. So, long is the opposite of short. Panjang lawannya pendek. Like the balls, one is big and one is small. So, big is the opposite of small. Besar lawannya kecil. The monster, ugly is the opposite of beautiful. Bodoh lawannya cantik. This go-kart, old is the opposite of new. Tua lawannya baru. Jadi ini yang post perkataan-perkataan di atas post-it notes ini yang kita katakan adalah perkataan lawan ataupun opposites. Kata adjektif yang berlawanan. Jadi dalam kerja cikgu pada hari ini, kita akan tengok dalam slide seterusnya bagaimana hendak membina ayat menggunakan dua adjektif dan susunan adjektif tersebut. How we are going to write the sentence using two adjectives. First, we are going to use one adjective. For example, we always say a train, right? This one, a train. So we can also say a blue train. A blue train. So this one is a blue train. And the other one, we can say a red train. This other one. Okay, that goes on with the ball, which is the green ball. And this one is the green ball. And what we can say, a yellow ball. So what we're going to do if there are two adjectives? Kalau kita dapat dua adjectives, macam mana kita nak susun? Yang ini long dan ini blue. Contohnya, tak boleh ball. Okay. Jadi di antara long dengan blue, we have to choose first adjective yang menerangkan sifat size dia dahulu. Iaitu kita pilih size baru kita pilih warna. We choose the size first, then we choose the color. For example, this one is a long blue train. It's a long blue train. Kita kena pilih size dahulu, baru kita pilih warna. Remember, you must say the size first, then the color. So it's a long blue train, not a blue long train. So that is the peraturan. That is the rule. It's the same. It's a big green ball, a small yellow ball. So I hope you understand that